The little girl everyone ignored. The cold wind swept to the streets of Maple Ridge as people hurried about their daily lives. Cars filled the roads, store doors opened and closed, and everyone seemed focused on their own problems. No one noticed a little girl standing quietly beside a shopping cart. 6-year-old Khloe Barnes had learned an important lesson at a very young age. Stay quiet, stay invisible, and never cause trouble. Her small pink coat was too thin for the weather, and one of its buttons hung loosely by a thread. Dark circles rested beneath her eyes, making her look older than a child should. Beside her stood Denise, her stepmother. To strangers, Denise appeared kind, elegant, and well-mannered. She smiled often and spoke politely whenever other people were watching. But behind closed doors, she became someone completely different. Khloe knew that version all too well. Inside the grocery store, Denise pushed the cart aggressively down the aisles while Khloe struggled to keep up. Every movement of the little girl seemed to irritate her. Walk faster, Denise snapped. Khloe immediately lowered her head. Yes, ma'am. A few minutes later, Khloe paused near a display of stuffed animals. A small brown teddy bear caught her attention. For just a moment, she smiled. It was the first genuine smile she had shown all day. Then Denise noticed. What are you staring at? Khloe quickly stepped back. Nothing. You don't need toys. Stop acting spoiled. The little girl's smile disappeared instantly. Nearby shoppers heard the exchange but continued with their own business. Some glanced over briefly before looking away. No one wanted to get involved. No one wanted problems. And that was exactly why Denise had been getting away with her behavior for years. As they approached the checkout area, Khloe accidentally bumped into a display stand. Two kins rolled onto the floor. The sound echoed through the store. Denise grabbed the child by the arm so hard that Khloe winced in pain. You embarrass me everywhere we go. Several customers turned around. An employee looked concerned. But before anyone could speak, Denise smiled and laughed. She's always so clumsy. A few people nodded awkwardly. The moment passed. Everyone returned to their shopping. Everyone except one man. Standing near the coffee section was Elliot Ward. At 44 years old, Elliot was one of the most respected businessmen in town. Years of hard work had earned him success, but money had never been the most important thing in his life. 3 years earlier, he had lost his wife and unborn daughter in a tragic accident. The grief never truly left him. Since then, he had learned to hide his emotions behind a calm expression. But something about the frightened little girl across the store caught his attention. It wasn't the bruise barely visible beneath her sleeve. It wasn't her oversized coat. It wasn't even the fear in her eyes. It was what she said next. As Denise dragged her toward the exit, Khloe whispered softly, "I'll be good. I promise." The words were barely audible, yet they hit Elliot harder than anything he had heard in years. Because those weren't the words of a mischievous child. Those were the words of a child who believed she deserved punishment. And suddenly, Elliot couldn't stop thinking about her.